Hi guys, it's been a long time, like literally years since I posted a video. In that time we have moved counties, so we were down on the south coast, now we're up in Lancashire, and we've moved house since then as well. So we're still in Lancashire but a different part, and today I thought I would do, I've just bought a new dressmaking model, an unboxing for you. So this is my old one. This was the Diana. It's like 20 odd years old now, and I got it when I was a teenager and I had to get a new one. I mean, it's like still got so many pins in itself because basically like the actual padding has gone, it's just the fabric on top. So when you put a pin in any direction, and then the fabric slightly pulls on it, they just come out. So it was just getting really annoying. So my mum bought me a new one as part of my Christmas present. So I mean, this isn't terrible, like it would still do someone. I'm going to see if I can find maybe a like beginner or something, or someone who does patterns, but I mainly drape. I don't really do patterns. Like I might make my own pattern, but that'll be from draping. So I need it to pin in. However, the odd time I have used like an actual pattern, I haven't really used the mannequin for pins because you've kind of been pinning the pattern pieces together. Whereas obviously draping, you kind of use the mannequin to actually hold the fabric before you work out how you're doing it. So this one I've had to say goodbye to, but it's served me well over 20 years. I made loads of things on it, and I've got a new one. So let's get on with the unboxing. So this is my new one. I got this from the Singer outlet website in the Christmas sale. It said Christmas sale, who knows. It was £104, free delivery, and it came, I thought it was going to be after Christmas. I ordered it I think 2 days before Christmas Eve or something, and it was there before Christmas. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, it's £104. So this is the Adjustoform Elizabeth Tailor's dressmaking model, and I got it in red. So this one I think goes from size 6, so it's like the smaller one, and it's got 11 adjusters. So let's get it open and have a look at it and see how it compares to my old one. So let's get this opened. Okay, so we have instructions. Might read them, might not. That looks like the main pole. Probably use that. The hem marker tool. So that goes on, and then use to measure your hems out. We've got, so this is the body. I went for red, but they do a variety of colours, but I like red. Red is cool. The feet. So my old one has 3 feet. This one has 4. And the other thing about my old one is they tended to like go funny when you were moving it. Sometimes they fell out and stuff, but I'm hoping these ones will be a bit better. Let's get it together. They go in like that. 1. Instructions are boring. I never read instructions. 2, 3, 4. 4 feet in. That was easy. Okay, and then see my other one, I know it just goes on. Well, that's nice. I haven't had a pin cushion on the top of my model for maybe 15 years. I can't even remember when it came off. It's nice to have a little pin cushion on there. Pop her up on there. So you've got some different screws. I'll show you. So I've done the model on, tighten her up. Okay, so I've brought a torch. Ta-da! Excuse me, madam. So up here we have, so we have the main like screw here that does like the height of the pole, this pole here. And then you have 2 more. So you have this lower one here, so this one. And that's kind of like you set that to the height that you want of the, like the height you want it to be. And then you can do the next one up, which is here. And that then either allows the mannequin to spin or to be fixed. You can also use that for height, and if you undo that, then the mannequin will come off the pole. But inside this model, which is what I wanted, this one has an adjustable torso height. So I basically don't have a torso. People always say, you do. I really don't, honestly. I can't wear swimming costumes because there's too much length on the fabric. So this one, you see that screw just up there, just here, this triangle one up here. So if you loosen that, you can pull the torso down to make it longer, or you can push it up to make it shorter. So that would be brilliant. That'd be really, really useful. And I'll show you that on the actual mannequin, what that looks like. So this is it in the standard shortest height. Okay, so that's how it comes. And as you can see, you've got this little bit here, which goes underneath. So then you can make it taller. So there's some few differences I'll point out in a minute, okay? So then what you can do is you find that big screw underneath, which is here. Got it? And you literally pull that down, if I do it right. Ta-da! And then you do it up. And now you have a longer torso. So if I bring my other one up, which is just, it's quite expanded, hold on. Okay, so I've set them both to the same size and the same height. So my old one has like a longer kind of body to it, so that was quite useful if you wanted kind of to make things that go right in at the hips. My new one has got the sort of slot in the front and the back, so it doesn't have a protruding arm, so you can't do jeans in the same way. But at least if you put a pair of jeans on it or a pair of trousers or something, it will actually like work properly. But if you look at the bodices now, with that one extended, which you pull it down a little bit more, it's just added like a couple of inches on. And this one turned round, so it's got a couple of inches. But then if I shorten that one, you'll see this is quite significant actually in terms of dress sizes, having the shorter bodice. So you see now, I think this one's a little bit higher than the other one, but like if you look at the difference between like where the waistline is and things, actually that would be a lot better. That one, my old one always used to make everything really long, which is great if you've got someone with like a standard figure, but I'm more like a little dumpling. I don't really have a waist. I mean, there was a time at which my old mannequin had to go in smaller than it is now. That was wonderful, and I will get back to that because at the moment it's like being an elephant trying to run up the stairs. But I do really like my new one. You can feel the padding. The only thing that I would say it's not as good is the adjusters are these little wheels rather than these turn things, and it does take quite a few to like push it up. It's a lot more effort to get it to the right size than the old one, which has just got the press and turn wheels, rather than these like you have to do that for ages to get it in and out. However, once obviously it's set at a size, isn't it? And then I can adjust it a little bit if I need to. So anyway, so that's brand new. I'm quite pleased with it. It's obviously got the little hem adjuster, which just clips on to this bit down here. You literally just put it on like that, and then you move your hem marker up and down. This one also has a hem marker on it down here. So they've got very similar features, but the winning feature is having that adjustable height on the torso. So there we go, so that's my new toy to play with. And I think the last video I posted was my new sewing machine. Ta-da! Which is not new anymore. It's actually like quite old, but still going strong. I literally just haven't had time to do anything. I have made stuff, just haven't had time to video. Anyway, so hopefully this is me back on track. See you soon. Bye.